Baby's first time seeing snow.
Baby sees snow for the first time.
Baby sees snow for the first time. Good morning.
In the sky?
She's eating it up. I like it.
Oh my goodness, did you get a camera or whatever?
No, it's mine.
Did you say action?
Oh, hold on. Action.
Wow, thank you.
You're welcome.
That's my name.
Literally. Dipper though, actually.
Opening up.
Baby's first Christmas.
Oh, baby.
So grown up.
Literally.
Real.
Good job at it, right?
Literally Pedro Petco.
Literally Pedro.
Yeah.
And baby.
It's a card for
'Cause I'm only
baby.
baby.
Literally only baby.
You're only a baby, only 1 year old.
Yeah.
You can be just like me now. It's a little guy to be your friend.
What? You can make him a guy.
I love him. Thanks, guys.
You're so welcome.
Thank you. I can be like Tegan. Do you want me to do it? No,
Wow.
Me at
Me
when Calder. Okay.
No, you don't.
What do you mean? I actually can't see anything.
Me neither, dog.
Yeah,
These
it's
glasses
very
don't really
These are
work.
bad glasses, unfortunately.
Welcome to my...
I
I
can't
feel like
see
this is
very
like
well.
Hey, Charlie.
Hey.
Good luck, Charlie.
Hey.
And good luck, Charlie.
Yeah, eat it.
I think you should.
Where did they go?
Hey, whoa.
Wait, who are you guys?
Do Flash 2.
Wow!
Hey, look.
Does it have to
Hey,
charge
whoa.
or is it good? I haven't used this one before. I think. Okay, is that it?
It's Aries season.
A what?
Aries
Whoa.
season.
Aries.
Aries.
That's really
good
good,
right
guys.
now.
Achilles heel.
It's Achilles season.
Hello. Wow, yeah.
This is the year 2000. We're all super lit.
Yep. What he said.
Super cool to be a millennial, right?
Ew. Oh my god.
In my heart, I'm alive. You tear in my heart. I'm on fire. You tear in my heart. Take me higher than I've ever been. My taste in music is your face. Just music, just music. Shake it down. Sorry. Do you know that? It was Jada. Hi. See you later.
Wait.
Hey.
You're too zoomed in.
Wow.
Do it. You want to do it. You want to do
Go ahead, do it.
What if you had only one? I hate it so much.
Don't be shy. Don't be shy.
It's for my birthday. It's for my birthday.
It's his birthday.
You have to do it.
I emailed him
Don't be
once,
shy.
and he responded.
He responded?
I didn't tell you about this. So this guy, when I was in grade
Hey,
school,
Amira.
my friend James.
Hey, Lou.
and I
Amira.
were gonna
Amira.
make a
Amira.
paranormal
Amira.
Activity style 5 nights.
Say hi to the movie.
Okay.
It's not about you.
And I'll just show you.
Shake that. Turn around, Calder. Let us see it. So why is who does the choreo? Judah, 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 Gaga. Wait, I can't hear it actually.
Oh.
Judas, 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 Gaga. When he comes to me, I'm ready. I wash his feet with my hair from days. Forgive him when his tongue lies to his brain. Even after the times he betrays me. I feel. Charlie. I'll be coming for your love, okay. Take on me, take on me, take me on. Take on me, safe and sorry. Take on me, take on my. Look at that! And I'm waking up to ash and dust. I wipe my brow and I swing my rust. I'm breathing in the chemicals.
Holy crap, this is freaking sweet. I live in Cog. Run it out. Just run it out.
Make it like your birthday every day. Celebrate. Don't make a wish. Give you something good to celebrate. Nothing like the life I've led so far. For the first time in forever, there'll be magic, there'll be fun. The first time in forever. At least I got a chance to feel. Don't feel. Put on a show. Make one wrong move and everyone will know. I'll be all set. In a bad romance. Rah, rah, rah. Rama, rama, ma, ga, ga, ooh la la. Want your bad romance. But I think it's a comment they have. And they say it's a little bit. They don't want me, they can't have me. So they don't want to dance inside me. Move with me, chat with me. And if you're good, I'll take you home with me. That's beautiful, I live my great life. She wants to dance like Uma Thurman, bury me until I confess. She wants to dance like Uma Thurman, she can't get you out of my feet. I can move mountains, I can work a miracle. Oh, I'll keep you like an oath. May nothing but death do us part. Sleep. This ain't the ocean air, and leave teardrops everywhere. If you were, but I would just stand and stare. Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep. 'Cause everything is never as it seems. But she said bullshit. I think you better quit. Got that shit. You don't believe in that tablet. Don't believe he said, she said bullshit. I think you better quit. Got that shit, punk.
I can see what's happening, and they don't have a clue. Fall in love, and here's the bottom line. Our trio's down to 2. Disasters in the air. Can you feel the love tonight? The best the evening brings.
See the lights, see the party, the ball gowns, see the way you wave through the crowd, say hello. Little did I know. What day you were Romeo, you were throwing back. You wake up to me yet? I'm crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. We can be alone, I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is run and you'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. This love is difficult, but it's a rain and don't be afraid. We'll make it out of this. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. I got tired of waiting, wondering who was ever coming around. My faith you was fading when I met you on the outskirts of town. This in my head, I'll go. What you think? He knelt to the ground and pulled out a ring and said, "Marry me, Juliet. You'll never have to pay the love. I'll love you, and that's all I really want." Talk to your dad, go pick out a white dress. It's a love story. They just say yes. We were both young and never saw you. Okay.
Hello.
I'm 19. We're just gonna.
I'll show you what happens.
We wanna take a picture. Hug me, bring it in. We wanna take a picture. Hug me, bring it in. So we're gonna end it off with a very important message.
Very important.
Good luck, Charlie.
Good luck, Charlie.
That's perfect, and that's how I end it.
How do I turn it off?
Actually, I think you press the one button with the red light.
Like this?
Maybe when you press the button.